So today we're going to make chicken feed for humans, not for chickens. So what you need is about half of a cup of Cheerios, and then it calls for half a cup of peanuts, but we didn't have peanuts, but we had chopped up walnuts, a quarter of a cup of seeds. We had pumpkin seeds, quarter of a cup of raisins or dried cranberries, about a half of a cup of pretzel sticks or any pretzels. We just stick them in because we had them. And then a quarter of a cup of M&Ms. So all you're going to do is pour all of your ingredients into a big bowl. I thought they were all going to fit into this bowl, but it got pretty full. So just dump everything into the bowl. It's all dry, so just be careful of it spilling on the floor. You don't want your dogs eating any of this. The pretzel sticks, we kind of had to, during the stirring process, we broke them up in half. And don't forget the M&Ms. So just pour them all into a big bowl and then stir them well until it's all incorporated. Just keep on stirring and stirring until it's all mixed together. I kind of had to help him because it was getting all over the place. And then just serve them into little cups or bowls and then have it as a snack. You could take it on a hike or to the park. It's a perfect snack to take along with you. Make sure that you store the leftovers in a sealable container or in a big Ziploc bag so that air doesn't get into it and it doesn't get stale. And enjoy! Have fun!